guys, welcome back to the DVDFab channel. Today, we're diving into how to build a sleek, fully customized Blu-ray with a pro-level menu using DVDFab 13. Menu navigation is the gateway to a smooth and enjoyable playback experience. With DVDFab Blu-ray Creator, you can easily design your own stylish menu with just a few clicks. It also packs GPU acceleration for faster performance, a built-in video editor for easy customization, and more smart features to streamline the whole process. Start by launching DVDFab 13 and switching to the Creator tab. Then select Blu-ray Creator. Click the Add button or simply drag and drop your video into the workspace. Multiple formats are supported, so you can import your files with ease. Alright, now comes the fun part. Click on Menu Settings to dive into the template library. You can pick a menu template that fits the occasion, set a background image or video, and even select background music to create the perfect vibe. On top of that, you can throw in some text with fonts, sizes, and colors that match your style. And even add widgets for extra flair. Once you're done customizing, take a moment to preview your menu and make sure everything looks just right. If you're happy with the design, you can even save it as a custom template for next time. DVDFab also lets you edit your videos before burning. You can crop the frame, apply effects, add a watermark, or tweak subtitles, whether you're inserting new ones or adjusting existing ones. And of course, you can trim the video to keep only the parts you love. After customizing your video, open the advanced settings. You can name your disc, choose the output format like BD25, adjust video quality, and set how your Blu-ray plays. Finally, select the output location and hit Start to burn. You can track the progress in real time, and once it's done, enjoy your creation. Creating a Blu-ray menu has never been this easy. Try it now and make your Blu-ray menu as stylish as the films you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We'll catch you in the next video.